Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the remote battery on this newer style BMW remote control. You're only going to need a small flathead screwdriver. You'll flip the remote upside down, push down on this little button and separate the two pieces just like this, and you can set this down to the side. And you're going to find the battery is located right in the center behind this cover. What we're going to do is grab our flathead and kind of wedge up the cover just slightly and then pull the rest out by hand. Now it is important to put this cover back in and the battery in the right direction, so the negative side would be pointing upwards, positive side pointing down. This is going to be the 2032 size remote battery. And if you look at the cover, it'll also tell you that the positive side should face there and the remote battery size is a 2032. So next we're going to show you how to put the cover back into the remote and how to identify if you are putting it in incorrectly. So once again, when you get the flat side of the cover, that's going to go on the back side of the remote. And you're just going to slide it in. And then what you need to look for is going to be this small little indent right here at the bottom where the arrow is pointing. And it should have been fit into a slot on top where the circle is pointing at. Once those two are lined up, you're going to just push down on the whole cover until it sits flush. It has to sit flush completely. If it is not sitting flush, you have this thing backwards and you need to remove it and redo it. These are the 3 index points for the remote cover, just to make sure that it is going to go in correctly. So if it is flipped around the other way, it's not going to fit in correctly, and this cover here actually won't be able to fit back in. And to put it in, it's very easy. You just start at the top and clip in at the bottom, and that's it. You're all done. So once again, if you are trying to put this cover back on and it's not going in very easily, double check to make sure that it is fitted correctly. The reason why this would not fit in correctly is if these 3 points are not lining up perfectly fine. You just need to make sure it's sitting down flush. And if these 3 points aren't lining up, just flip the battery cover around and it should line up and you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If you liked the video, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.